Greetings, my name is Arlie Douglas and I'm going to walk you through the TK20 process as a cooperating teacher. You will receive an email that comes from TK20 that will include a direct link to access your TK20 binder for your intern. Please save this email because you will need to refer to it throughout the semester when you are ready to go into the TK20 binder. And within the email, you'll see a hyperlink that you'll simply click. And it will bypass logging into TK20 so that it automatically opens up the binder for you. And the way the TK20 binder works is on the left-hand side is what the intern will submit, their assignments, and on the right-hand side is what you will submit as a cooperating teacher. You do have access to see what your intern submits if you are interested. There's labels up here for each assignment. There's tabs. For example, you could click on the SLO. If you'd like to see the SLO that they submitted, if they submitted anything or saved anything, there will be a hyperlink there for you and you could click on that and you can see what they submitted. But the majority of your time will be spent on the right-hand side. Up top, you will notice that there are going to be 5 items for you to complete, observations 1 through 4, and then a cooperating teacher feedback survey that we ask you to complete at the end of the semester. Below that, you will see what the cooperating supervisor completes on behalf of your intern. You have access to see what the scores that they submit for observations 1 through 4, as well as the summative, midterm, and final. Back up top, when you are ready to complete your first observation, for example, you simply click on the hyperlink. And it's going to open up the SCTS rubric. This middle line here on your screen, you can use your mouse to drag over to the left so that you have more real estate on the right-hand side and can see the complete rubric. We ask for observation dates, although it's not required, as well as subjects taught, but it's not a required field. And then it'll take you through the rubric. And all you do is simply click within the bubble. For each item, you'll see that the score automatically comes over to the right-hand side. And then if you wish, it's not required, but you can add comments. And so you simply do that for each item in the rubric. We do have the NA option. Again, you click, you'll see the score comes over. You can enter comments, and I'll select NA for this. And I've completed the rest of the rubric just for sake of time. So when you're done with the entire rubric, you do have to complete each one, even if you do select NA. You come down to the bottom and you will see that there's a total score and a total mean, and there's a grade field. Do not worry about putting anything in the grade field, just completely skip that grade field, and you'll hit save and close. And when you get back to this screen, you'll notice that the red flag is gone for observation 1 because you have completed it. If you come back to the screen and there's still a red flag there, that most likely means that you may have skipped one of the rubric items and you'll need to go back in there and complete it so that the red flag is gone. By the end of the semester, you'll want all those red flags gone, and I'll send you further directions on how to submit your entire binder. But when you're done for each TK20 session for the day, please make sure that you go up to the right-hand corner and click on Close. And then you'll see your name where it says hi. You click on that and you sign out. That process of closing the binder and signing out each time will prevent any technical issues the next time that you try to log into TK20. If you forget to log out and you go back into your next session by using that link in your saved email, sometimes it thinks that you're still in that session, your previous session, and it will not let you get in. And if you come across that issue, please feel free to contact me. My contact information is in the email that I sent you. Thank you.